The co-owner of a Tulsa restaurant is trying to do something good for her employees by getting them mental health support.
News on 6's Sawyer Bussey tells us about a dozen mental health professionals are ready to help.
This pandemic has changed lives. Johnna Hayes says she's seen firsthand the impact these last 2 years have had on her staff. She's doing everything she can to keep them mentally healthy as they fight to keep their restaurants alive. Since the pandemic began, Johnna Hayes says every restaurant shift is a fight. To stay positive, be friendly, to deal with problems with grace, to greet tables with joy, to work together when there aren't enough employees on the floor.
But we have staff that's willing to move around and work extra and put in 20 hours of overtime on their own, and they do it because they love their job and they love this company, and I couldn't be more lucky.
Despite employees' resilience and hard work, supply chain shortages, staffing issues, dealing with the ebb and flow of COVID cases, getting laid off and rehired, the chaos of the pandemic has hit restaurant employees hard.
It's been pretty terrible. It's a roller coaster, and it's not one we get to predict when it stops.
Johnna's focus now is on her employees' mental health. She wants to make sure they have a professional to talk to, someone who can look them in the eyes and give them the support she can't.
We'd just love for them to have an opportunity to talk to somebody that's not exactly another service person or their husbands or boyfriends or something. Having somebody look in your eyes these days it means a lot when sometimes that's all you can see.
Johnna put the word out on Facebook and says 15 to 20 people responded, offering to help when they could.
There's just a network of people that I am fortunate to have.
Because we all need a little extra right now. A little extra support, a little extra kindness, a little more compassion, a little more grace. Sawyer Bussey, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.